Hello friends, welcome to Webworld Zone tutorial. Today I am going to share you the method to center align anything, whether it is a text or div. So first of all, I am taking a wrapper div. Inside of that, I am taking a div class name center align. I will do it center align vertically and horizontally, and the text inside that I am in center. So let's see in the browser. So it is looking like this. Now we will go to the editor. Now I will write the CSS for center aligned div. I will giving the width 300 pixel, height 300 pixel, and background has 333 and the color white. Now I will center this div vertically and horizontally. For that I just make sure that the parent class will have the 100% height of the screen so that it will be in the center of the screen. So I am taking 100 VHD height so that it will cover the entire screen. Now the wrapper is covering the entire screen. Now I will write the CSS for H2. Since H2 is taking margin by default, so I am removing the margin of H2. And margin bottom is also 0. Now I will share you the method to do the center align with display flex. So for this I am writing the parent display flex so it will center align its child element. So here is justify content center. It will make the center align div horizontally center. Now let's see it is horizontal center. Now we will make it vertical center. So text align center will make the center in the text. So it is making H2 in center, text line center. Now I will make this div vertically align center. So for this I will add align items center. It will make the black box centrally aligned from vertical. Now we can do the same thing with center aligned div, that is the black box div, for making the text vertically and horizontally center aligned. Now align item center and justify contain center, vertically align center and horizontally align center for making the H2 centrally aligned. Now it is in center. Then we will do the same thing with positions. Now I am giving the position absolute to the black box, top say 50%, left 50%. Now position relative will be the parent. Now I will give the transform property. Now transform left minus 50%, transform translate minus 50%, minus 50%. It means from left it is minus 50% and from top it is minus 50%. So it will be always in vertically and horizontally center. Now we can do the same thing for the text. I am in center, that is for H2. I am giving the position absolute to the text and since it is position absolute, so it is not taking its full width. So in this case I have to give the width 100%. So now I will share the third and the last method. We'll do the same thing with minus margin value. So for this I have removed the all two methods. So for this I will do the position absolute, and I am giving the position related to the wrapper, and position absolute to the black box, left 50, top 50, and I am giving the minus value of half of the height of the box. Like if it is 300, it will be minus 150. Margin top will be half of the height of the, and margin left will be half of the width. So it will be in minus value. So half of the height will be the margin top and half of the width will be the margin left, and both will be in minus value. So now it is in vertical and horizontal center. So I will prefer to use display flex or position absolute so that it will be feasible to all projects. Thanks for watching.